Kailan ba nung naging tight battle ng mga guards yung pagiging best player ng liga? Confidently speaking, we might say na yun din yung golden years ng liga. We have James Yap and Mark Caguioa rivalry, plus the Hontiveros, Tugade, Retualo, Helterbrand, El Granada, Skyrus, Fonacher, The Thriller, and Cardona, panahon na sobrang addict ng mga tao sa PBA. Ngayong conference, merong ganong feels yung liga. Underdog teams winning, super team getting eliminated, and yung conversation sa best player of the conference is all about the guards thriving right now. I will drop some names here and I think all of them is deserving. Ang kaso kasi is, ang makakakuha is mainly kung sino yung makakapasok sa finals and makakuha siya sa game 4. Maybe it's time to change it na after ng elimination. So, what do you think? Kasi if that's the case, tapos yung awarding is ngayon, the front runner is of course Robert Bolick, the main engine ng Road Warriors, the leader, consistent performer, especially in the clutch. Meron kang pupuntahan kapag lahat kinakabahan na and hindi rin selfish to give the ball to an open teammate. That's the true leader we are craving to watch. Hindi lang scoring kundi involve lahat. Siya yung system and now nakalak na sila bilang number 1 seed sa conference. Next ay si RJ Abarientos. Never nagkaroon ng scoring drought this conference. Laging double digit yung kanyang scoring. He changed the way Ginebra play. Dati, bawal kang mag 30 points kapag sa Ginebra ka kasi ina-emphasize yung ball movement and lahat merong touches. Pero coach team cannot escape what he can bring with the ball on his hand. He is the most dangerous threat in the league right now and ibang level yung kanyang outside shooting, not on a standard na sanay tayo. Next ay si Adrian Nocum. Hindi man 20 point yung average pero kasi yung impact niya is nakatulong sa Rain or Shine to have winning streak and now top 3 sila sa standings. Siya yung napupuntahan ng Rain or Shine if they needed points. Kahit pa limited minutes kasi lahat ginagamit Siya pa rin yung nagsashine bilang go-to guy ng franchise. Will have cold start pero sa endgame is always present. Next ay si Richie Rivero na hanggang ngayon palaisipan sa mga tao bakit nagland to sa 17th pick ng PBA draft. Kahit alam natin yung potential bilang franchise player. Tapos napunta pa sa magaling na coach. There's no doubt na isa siya sa main reason kung bakit angat ang Phoenix ngayon. The only problem sa kanyang case is merong mga games na bad shooting night but still dapat nasa conversation pa rin siya. Lastly ay si CJ Cancino. Probably the most underrated name sa conversation kasi alam natin yung Meralco team pa rin ni Chris Newsome pero si Cancino yung main scorer nila kahit last conference nga kung nakalayo lang sila sa kanya dapat If Meralco goes all the way, he should receive this award because wala sila if wala si Cancino. There's no name from TNT and SMB pero in the end, we all know na pag sila yung nakapasok dyan, doon pa rin manggagaling. Though Calvin Oftana or CJ Perez is still a great choice for the conference pero at least makikita natin yung liga na merong changes kahit papaano. Even the names of Cedric Bearfield, Jerick Amnisi, Joshua Monzon, and Juan Gomez de Leano are all guards. Pero kayo ba, sino ang pinaka-deserving? Gonna be a battle between Robert Bolick and RJ Abarientos. Let me know all your thoughts in the comment section below.